Null means nothing is there. What? No value, no object, just empty space. Understanding null is critical because null reference exceptions are one of the most common crashes that frustrate both users and developers. Reference types like strings and objects can be null by default. Value types like integers cannot be null unless you explicitly make them nullable. Add a question mark after the type to create a nullable value type that can hold either number or null. Always check before using potentially null values. Use a simple null check before you access properties or methods, or even better, use the null conditional operator by using the question mark. This example in here is going to return null if the name is null, otherwise it's going to return the actual length. In any case, no exceptions thrown, just a safe null result.